Hello everyone, my name is Om Shah and I'm a legal intern at Lexis & Company. Today I'm going to discuss about the Article 58 of the Indian Constitution. Article 58 of the Constitution of India deals with the qualifications for election as the President of India. It states that no person shall be eligible for election as President unless he or she is a citizen of India, he or she has completed the age of 35 years and he or she is qualified for election as a member of the House of the People. In addition, Article 58 Clause 2 states that a person shall not be eligible for election as president if he or she holds any office of profit under the government of India or the government of any state or under any local or other authority subject to the control of any of the said governments. The following are some of the offices of profit that are not considered for the purposes of Article 58 Clause 2. The office of President or Vice President of India, the office of governor of a state, the office of minister either in the union government or in the government of state, the state of speaker or deputy speaker or of either house of parliament, the office of chairman or deputy chairman of the Rajya Sabha, the office of speaker or deputy speaker of a state legislative assembly, the office of chairman or deputy chairman of a state legislative council. It is important to note that the term office of profit is not defined in the Constitution. However, it has been interpreted by the courts to mean any office that carries with it a salary, allowance or other benefit. The qualifications for election as president are important because they ensure that the president is a person who is qualified to hold the office and who has the interests of the people of India at heart. Now, I am winding up this video. If any viewer has the questions regarding the same, do let me know in the comment box. Thank you.